everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I'm from the 2016 batch of Accounting and Taxation stream of Commerce. Being a qualified cost accountant and working with an esteemed organization, it is a great honor and pleasure of mine to have been part of my beloved institution, Seshadripuram Educational Trust. My journey in the field of commerce began with Seshadripuram Independent PU College. The quality of the education and the support from the management in building its students' career in every best way possible led me in continuing my graduation in Seshadripuram Academy of Business Studies. The success of a person lies in the foundation of upbringing, hard and smart work, and equally in the efforts of parents and teachers. I am glad to have received this kind of effort-filled support from my lecturers, not only in the education front but also in the co-curricular activities. I have been a part of a couple of short movies for which my college supported me and others who are talented in many such fields. Today, I am a successful cost accountant who was once enriched with ample knowledge and exposure to the various fields of commerce by the faculty of SABS. I am happy and proud to be a part of SABS family and I am sure you'll all feel the same. Welcome to SABS family.
Namaste, I'm Apurva, a proud alumni of SABS. Being a part of Seshadripuram Academy of Business Studies is indeed a great fortune of mine. I was a BCom student. Though our college specially focuses on business studies, they always give equal importance to non-core subjects, languages, sports and other extracurricular activities as well. It was because of the guidance and encouragement of my lecturers that I could score the highest marks in Sanskrit and secure a gold medal in the Bangalore University examinations. Being in such wonderful environment also made me realize my true passion and I continued my studies in Sanskrit and got another gold medal in my post-graduation. Our college also gives a number of platforms to showcase our talents and encourages the deserving students by rewarding them in wonderful ways. I cherish all the memories of SABS and I am always grateful for everything my college has given me. I am very sure that you will also be proud alumnus once you graduate from our institution.
I'm Bhumika, alumni of SABS. Finding the right path to success at the right time is very important for us, so I chose to join SABS College. Friendly environment, systematic approach towards imparting the education made me competent to face many challenges at workplace. The wide range of extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities are memorable, which could happen by our lecturers. The support which we get in our college is very helpful. The pre-placement activities and the training program energizes to take up the interview and to get settled in the premium organization is a dream which would come true to many. To say at last, I would like to feel proud to be a part of this prestigious college. Thank you.
I'm TM Aditya Sean. I'm an versatile travel photographer and also a professional wildlife photographer. So, I'm an award-winning photographer where I have been since 2016, creating memories since 2016. So my journey has started from my college days where I am an alumni student of Seshadripuram Academy of Business Studies. And thank you so much for my college for extending support and giving me this honor to talk about this. And I really say that I have been recognized as in many brands called Sony Alpine and Sony BBC Earth. And also recently my works has went into Incredible India too. And I really thank my college and each and every person from my college where I am into this position. And I am proud to be an alumni of SABS and I love you to be a part of this college. Thank you so much and have a nice time.
Hello everyone, my name is Girish. I am presently full-time research scholar under UGC Fellowship, Tumkur University, Karnataka. And I am happy to be the part of Seshadripuram Academy of Business Studies. And I hope that you also be the part of SABS. Thank you all.